Alright guys, what is going on? Today we're out at the Westside Industrial Park and we're doing some bass fishing. Got a trickworm, red shad. What's that? 904 Fishing. I appreciate it, man. Well, that was cool. We're in the intro too. I don't know, I think I feel it getting stuck down in the muck, like down there. So I don't like that, obviously. I don't want that. Oh yeah, there's one. There's one. Ah, little guy. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, that was a giant crappie. Oh, he was barely hooked too. Oh my God, that was a freaking huge crappie. Oh my God, I just had a bite. The second spot here, Randy and I actually fished here before. Not when it was this overgrown though. Well, this spot's no good. I got one more, and if that doesn't pay out, then we're just screwed. Oh my goodness. Okay. All right, calm down. Calm down. Calm hard. Ow. All right, so not a bad one. Little channel cat there. I'll throw him back here. He'll be on his way. Ow. Ow, God, that hurt. You actually did damage there. Holy crap. I don't think I've ever felt that.
All right, so I know this video was kind of short and I wasn't really happy about that, but luckily I did go fishing Saturday night. Yeah, Saturday night with Nick, and we went out to the Lakeshore Dock with some shrimp, just little ones about yay big. We had a lot of luck actually. We each caught 2 stingray. Here's mine and then here's Nick's. So that was kind of cool. I caught this huge eel. There's the picture of the eel. And then we each caught a red as well. So we were going, you know, dot for dot the whole time. It was great. I'll play the clip of Nick's red right here.
There we go. Dude, that's crazy. Let's play that tail. Oh my God. Almost took my damn rod in the water. Killing a shrimp. Looked over, saw my
Dude, but rod went about went in the water, yeah. That's crazy.
Oh my God. Oh my God. I swear I've held fish before. Just not lipping them as hard. Yeah, that's slept, dude. I got it.
So that was actually really funny because his red, I can't remember how big it was. We did measure it. I want to say it was like 16 or 17 inches, so like just below the you know, the slot limit. But it was really funny because we're like just, you know, talking and whatnot, and we look over at his rod. The only thing that's holding it on the dock is the reel. Like the rest of it's like hanging off the dock. It was ridiculous, and we like tripped over ourselves trying to get over there and save his rod from going in the water. And of course it's pitch black outside, so we can't see anything. It was hilarious. And then mine, I didn't do the same thing. Mine was in a rod holder, but it was like bent way over, so that was really funny. But here's mine.
Dark, or like just, I don't know, really red. Got 2 spots. Going back here.
So there you go. I know this was kind of a weird video, but thank you guys for sticking with me. Nick and I are going out this Friday. We're gonna leave from work and go directly to the lakeshore. We're gonna be going out doing that. We could potentially be going kayaking Saturday morning. I have no idea. But thank you guys for watching. Here's some drone footage.